Take your time. Now stay on it.
Well, that wasn't funny.
That was funny. Stay on it. Don't go off. Stay on it. I'm going to go all the way around you. Whee! Nice, Britton.
Now the next thing for you to go is to wrap your legs around the top of it, and then you're comfortable. You just sit up there and ride.
I like.
Go ahead, Cadence. You do it.
Let Cadence try. Here, Mommy help you. You ready?
So fun.
I'll hold you. You want to sit with Mommy on here? Mommy hold you?
I want to slow.
Okay, we'll go really slow. Daddy, hand him to me. No, wait. You can sit
Here,
up here
Britton.
with me.
Hold it. Film.
Here is Cadence's first tire swing ride. Or reverse. Not wanting to do it.
I'm not going to move. You just sit up here with me. Okay.
Not wanting to do it. Okay.